Hi guys, so back with another video. And this time I started at the beginning without any loading time. Every time I let it load, I get like 5 kills, and during the video I get like 1 kill. So, gosh, maybe that was about it. What are you shooting at, teammate? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, more people? Shoot. Oh, I hate this lag. What am I gonna do? Blame it on the lag, everybody. Blame it on the lag. Oh my goodness. Die. Oh my, if I die by this dude, okay. If I die by that dude, I will just like quit Roblox. So, don't know what that guy is. Why did my computer not load that? Oh my gosh, I'm blaming a lot of stuff because it's so laggy. Oh my. What the fuck? It's the same place. If they're just glitching out like that, imagine me going on this. Ah! Oh shoot. Nope, 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 nope. Pow. Well, he ran away. Gotta run away, criminal, run away, criminal. Yes. Shoot.